So this is Tim, the RSCA. This is 4865 San Francisco, where we're going to do a roof tomorrow. It looks like we got rafters that broke all the way down this whole end, so it looks like it fell into the soffit or something. So it completely rotted out there. So we're probably going to have to plan on replacing this whole entire fascia right here. We're doing this for a charity event with the RSCA. And there's a little B flat roof back here, so I think we'll be able to fix that. And they're gonna have to break some new white metal and put it on there for tomorrow. So we got that, and then over here, because I got to do the carpentry work, which isn't a big deal, but this is completely like rotted out. There's no soffit in here, and you can see how some of the rafters are just really old. So we'll find out tomorrow how well this goes, but it should be fine. We should be able to just fill that in there and get it done. We're gonna need some ladders, so I'm glad I came out. Good luck. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and this is Tim with the RSCA. It's gonna be a joint effort. We have Roofers Mart, Crown C, Richards, GAF, APOC, and many other companies coming to the aid to help bring North County up to better living standards.